long time. Understood? Because the business will continue for long time. So it will be not shown at the market value or realizable value. It is shown only at the cost price. Understood? Okay. The next one. Financial statements are prepared at the end of the accounting year. When the life of the business entity is for a long period on the basis of the assumption of going concern stakeholders. We already know what are the stakeholders. Okay, for suppose LFS stakeholders are students, teachers, parents. Okay, so these are all the stakeholders. Okay, or person who have the stake in the entity cannot wait too long. What is the performance or position when it is closed down? So hence to get the information about the profit or loss account, profit or loss, or about the assets and liabilities at the reasonable interval, accounts are written regularly and periodical financial statements are period. Okay, because all stakeholders wants to know the actual profit or loss of the business. Okay, current position of the business, assets or liabilities of the business. Okay, so accounts are prepared, okay, continuously. Yes. Now, in certain circumstances, we do not follow, or company or entity cannot follow the going concept. ओके, कुछ सर्कमस्टेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं कि जिसमें कंपनी गोइंग कंसर्न कंसेप्ट का फॉलो नहीं करती या नहीं करने चाहिए. ओके, तो इट कैन बी अंडरस्टूड लॉजिकली दैट व्हेन द बिजनेस हैज incurring loss continuously. Okay, if the business is incurring the loss continuously and it is the planning to close the business, then it is no need to follow the going concern concept. Okay, because what is going concern concept? Going concern concept is that we continue the business for a long time. But here the company has the planning to close the business in near future. So no need to follow the going concern concept. Understood? It can be understood logically. Okay. So when the object, then the second option, when we cannot follow the going concern concept is when the object for which a business was established, okay, and this concept, their object is fulfilled by the company, okay, then we cannot follow this concept. Understood? And when an industrial unit is declared sick, okay, when the second circumstances is when the industrial unit is declared sick. Okay, it means continuously incurring loss. It is declared sick. Okay, then when a business is passing through the severe financial crisis. Okay, when a business is passing through the severe financial crisis and is likely to be liquidated very shortly. Okay, है ना? What is liquidation? Liquidation मतलब કંપનીનું બેસણું, બરાબર ને? બેસણું તો ખબર છે શું કહેવાય? ઓકે, તો liquidation means કંપનીનું બેસણું, કંપનીનું હવે પૂરું થઈ ગયું છે. ઓકે, કંપની now near to close, it has to close, wind up its business. Okay, so it has the concept of this when a business is passing through the severe financial crisis and is likely to be liquidated. Okay, in the near future it will be liquidated. Okay, so then the company or entity cannot follow the going concern concept. Okay, then when a liquidator is appointed, when the company or business is declared insolvent, okay, it cannot pay the debt. Okay, then the court declare it insolvent. If the court declared insolvent, then okay, in the short time the liquidator is appointed for paying the debt. Okay, so liquidator will realize the assets and pay the debt of the creditors. Understood? So when a liquidator is appointed, मतलब liquidator कब appoint होता है? ઓકે હે ને માણસનું 12મું ક્યારે થાય બરાબર ને 12મું ક્યારે થાય જ્યારે પતી ગયો હોય માણસ એ જ રીતે લિક્વિડેટર અપોઇન્ટ થયો એનો મતલબ કે કંપનીનું હવે પતી ગયું છે ઓકે સો વેન અ લિક્વિડેટર ઇઝ અપોઇન્ટેડ ફોર અ લિક્વિડેશન ઓફ ધ કંપની ઓકે સો it is the entity cannot follow the going concern concept. So I hope that you concept properly. Okay, now